Bonjour mes amis, Beram here, and today we are doing le Futur Proche. So, Futur Proche, what's that? Very simple. Let me borrow a concept from mathematics, the number line. Of course, in French, in languages, no number line, timeline. Yes, right in between we have the present tense, and if the action is done before, the past tense, and if the action will happen later, it's the future tense. Now, suppose I want to denote an action in the present tense. So I'll say, I'm writing a letter, or I write a letter. But if I want to denote an action in the future tense, I'll say, I will write a letter, or I shall write a letter. My question to you all, what if I want to denote an action that is not present tense, not the distant future, because when I say I will or I shall write, that could be any time, maybe 2 minutes from now, 2 days from now, 2 months, 2 years, or maybe next lifetime. Joking. But if I want to denote an action that will happen not in the distant future, but very much just now, I will say, I am going to write a letter. I am not writing a letter right now. I will not write it in the distant future. I am going to write a letter. Exactly. And that's our near future. So, it is an action that is going to take place in the near future. Right? Now, this particular tense in French is called the Futur Proche, which represents the near future. The adjective near proche in French is placed after the noun, as you always know. So, le Futur Proche. Now, how do I form le Futur Proche? But before that, let's take a statement. The Futur Proche, the use of the Futur Proche, is to denote any action that is going to take place in the near future. Let's write it down once again. Actions that are going to happen in the near future. Now focus on are going. Are going. Which tense is that? So present tense, of course. I am going, you are going, he is going, she is going. Fantastic. Which verb is that? Sir, aller. To go. Exactly. So can I say in my formation that the Futur Proche, first step of the formation is that we need the present tense conjugation of the verb aller, which we all know. Am I right? Of course we do. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Don't we know that? Absolutely. V-A-I-S, V-A-S, V-A, V-A, allons, aller, vont, and vont. Fantastic. Now focus on the next part of the Futur Proche, and that is to happen. 2 plus verb. What is that called? The infinitive. And with that, our formation gets over. Step 2. We take the infinitive of the given verb, whichever verb is given. F-I-N-I-R, finir, E-N-T-E-N-D-R-E, entendre, P-A-R-L-E-R, parler. Whichever verb, E-R-I-R-R-E, we take the root form of that verb, the infinitive. And we add that to je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va. Absolutely perfect. So when I say Caroline va arriver demain, it means Caroline is going to arrive tomorrow. When I say ils vont voir un film, it means they are going to watch a film. Lucky, guys. So, final formation. Subject, which is the noun or the pronoun, plus the present tense conjugation of aller plus infinitive. Yes, that's my conjugation for the Futur Proche. Let's take the verb parler. Subject, je. Present tense conjugation of aller, vais. Infinitive, parler. Absolutely. Tu vas parler. Il va parler. Elle va parler. How easy was that? Nous allons parler. Vous allez parler. Ils vont parler. And elles vont parler. Fantastic. Sir, the meaning of je vais parler? Come on, let's do the literal translation. I am going to speak. You are going to speak. Il va parler, he is going to speak. Elle va parler, she is going to speak. And so on and so forth till elles vont parler, they are going to speak. They feminine. In this module, we've covered the formation and the affirmative. Watch out for the next module where we shall cover the negative and the interrogative of this amazing easy tense, the futur proche. Au revoir, mes amis.